The wind is trying to blow my babies away. I'm talking about my coop right there. It lifted it up off the air, and it's got staples holding it in the ground. Otherwise, it would have flew. All my birds, they've been underneath there hiding because of the wind. They're scared. They don't know what to do. This is my tiny flock, my little bitties. It's my little meaty me's. There's a rooster right there. He ain't scared of nothing. That's another rooster. He ain't scared either. One of them little gray one over there, he's the bravest. He's out there trying to get him a full-size female. One of them black Morans is what he's looking for. Heck, he got him a guinea earlier. Tell you what, boy, he a breeder. He gonna get him one. Yeah, he gonna get him one. That's right. Love, 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 precious love. You want some of that? That's that good stuff. Get you some of them buddies. Get you some of that. That's that meal spade. Yeah, that's that good stuff. The parrots like it. I don't know why y'all don't like it. Get you some of that. Break it down, break it down. Pop it up, and rolls. What's our meat birds doing over here? What's up, meaties? Those are our Freedom Rangers. They're 5 weeks old. They are doing a heck of a job. Rest of our birds are way over here. Deep off in them woods, I tell you what they're doing. Wood life. They're doing that wood life. Wood life. There's another tractor I built. I need to wrap it with wire and put the roof back on it. That's a PVC chicken tractor. 20 by 10. Stop! Alright, Juju making me stop. Alright, y'all peace out. Remember, through God, all things are possible. Live your dreams and do what you want. Peace!